Hi everyone, how are you? My name is Lisa Abed and I am so excited to be a part of this class. I am very intrigued regarding social work in the criminal justice system. The experience that I had in it, my grant just ended, but the grant that I had for a year, I did STIR, which is supportive transition into rapid housing. So individuals coming out of county jail, they get and that's eligible for mental health services and who are homeless in a local low barrier homeless shelter. I worked with them. I did intensive case management with them. I got was able to get them connected and needed resources like community mental health, getting vital docs, finding employment or applying for Social Security through SOAR, housing, applying for a bridge card, you name it. We worked together in doing that, and I really enjoyed it. Unfortunately, my grant ended, and I'm not doing that any longer. However, I would really love to go back to doing that. Also, I think the importance of having social worker in prisons or even in the criminal justice system is because they need advocacy. Individuals who are incarcerated need advocacy too, whether you're in prison or coming out of prison. In prison, I think social workers can be utilized as getting them connected. So many people are not connected in mental health services. So if the prison system has the ability to treat individuals psychiatric, maybe giving that referral, and getting connected maybe into different classes, things like that. And then once they get ready to be released, getting connected, see if they can get a birth certificate, because it's so significant coming out of incarceration. Maybe getting an ID, working on getting an ID, getting them connected to if they are going to be homeless, so the local shelter, getting the resources that they will need and the tools that they would need upon release. So I think social workers have a significant role in the prison system, and I can't wait to venture in this class to see what it brings, and that's it. It's going to be a great 7 weeks. I'm looking forward to working with you guys. Have a good evening. Bye.